That is
a tasty burger.
It's true.
God, I love cooking with them. One of the most popular burgers I see made on the Blackstone is a Western burger loaded with American cheese, onion rings, some barbecue sauce, and I'm adding pickles. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but let me show you how I make mine. For these Western burgers, first we're going to drop down some crispy onion rings onto the griddle. Frozen onion rings, frozen french fries, tater tots, they all work so perfectly on the Blackstone. Drizzle a little oil, spread it around a little on top, and then let them hang out and get nice and crispy, tossing here and there. I'm going for a thick fat burger. My favorite one is Schweid & Sons. We're going to drop these down onto our hot griddle on the other side, seasoning with the Blackstone Smash Burger seasoning. While they cook on one side, get nice and charred, we're going to grab our brioche buns, smear a little Duke's mayo on both sides, get them toasted up while we flip our burgers. We'll let them cook under the dome for just a few minutes. Our buns are done, hun. Time to pull these off. For my Western burgers, I'm topping them off with some deli sliced American cheese. Let that get all nice and melty while the other side of our burger cooks. We're gonna drizzle over some barbecue sauce. Go with your favorite kind, favorite brand, or make your own. Either way, these burgers must have barbecue sauce since they are Western burgers. We'll pull off our onion rings, get those burger patties onto our buns now that the cheese is nice and melted. Then top these off with our crispy onion rings, these crunchy dill pickles, which I love so much. We're gonna add a little extra barbecue sauce drizzle on the top of our buns, sandwich these together. Now, since I'm at CJ's house and I've got a bunch of people behind Ethan, you guys want to come up here and have a little Western burger with me? Share it with me since you guys keep stealing my pickles.
Indeed.
I'm excited. I think we gotta
one?
cut them. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I've never done onion rings on
Really?
the griddle.
What?
I love onion rings. I'm a sucker for onion
Dude, you
rings.
remember when I did anchos, the onion ring nachos?
No? You did that?
Yeah.
The fact that you can do
I don't watch your show.
Joey,
No.
I need you. Andy, I need you. This is everybody come up here except
All
for
right.
you.
Let's
You
do
keep
this.
working.
You keep working, guy.
Working.
All right. We got 4 here. Okay, let me cut one more.
Una mas.
Rona Moss, and
Nice
we're there.
skills, CJ.
Hey, thanks, guy.
It's impressive.
This one's a big one. That Schweid & Son, their burgers are
That's good.
bang.
You
That
see all
is
the layers?
crispy.
I love when you get like a cross section. You see layers.
Look at mine.
Goodies.
It's like an ogre.
Show ours.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, cheers, guys.
Cheers, love.
Thanks for letting
Cheers.
me cook for you guys.
Cheers, burgers. Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, sorry. What do you think?
That's a good
Money.
pickle. That's a good
pickle-
burger.
This pickle is so good. You guys take and make this one. I know you guys are gonna love it just as much as these boys do. Now, on to the next recipe.
Oh.
I'll see you there.
I'll see you there.
Yeah, I'll see you there.
With him.